What's up, guys? Eric here. I get a lot of questions about affiliate marketing. How do you do it? What do you do? Where do you start? I'm going to go over this exactly what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing 101. This is for people that know nothing. If you have any questions, you can send me a text, 917-636-1998. Feel free to ask a question in the comments here, and I will answer them. Let's dive in here. What is affiliate marketing? It is the process in which an affiliate gets paid to promote somebody else's product and try to drive some action. If you do so, you're going to get paid. You do a deal with an advertiser. You get paid when you generate anything that's defined as a conversion will be tracked by the advertiser's affiliate link. Affiliate link means that link is unique to you. No one else in the world has access to that link. Any activity takes place in that link. Clicks, leads, sales. It will all track back to your account within that affiliate program. The who of affiliate marketing. Number one, the advertiser. The advertiser is a merchant, vendor, lead generation company. Advertisers want to find as many affiliates as possible that can promote their product to an audience. They're looking to get distribution of their offer online. They try to tap into all these different people who have different audiences, and they want to get in front of that audience. Number two, the affiliate publisher. It could be one person, or you could be a big company. You don't own the offer. You're not going out and doing any customer service. All you need to do is get that product or service in front of the right audience to take an action. That's it. You can start this after this video. The goal is that you want to find the right audience so that you can get people that actually have interest in the offer that you're promoting to them. By doing so, if they take an action, we call that the payable event. That's the agreement that you make up front with your advertiser. If you get somebody to do this, get a click, to lead, purchase, you will get paid X. Number three is the consumer. The consumer is everything. You need a consumer, or affiliates don't make money, advertisers don't make money. As an affiliate, you're looking for offers for your audience that you believe will add some value. So that when your audience buys something from one of your affiliate partners, you helped your audience find that product or service. The advertiser sold something, you get a commission for it. Everybody wins. You can promote through social media, blogs, websites, emails, etc. The most important thing for you to understand, consumers don't pay more money by buying a product from your affiliate link. Commission that is being paid to an affiliate is already built into the product offering. Whether the person goes and buys directly from the company or through your affiliate link, they're going to pay the same amount of money. You want them to come to your link so that you can get paid. How do affiliates get paid? You get paid on a CPC, which is a pay for every click. Advertisers agree to pay an affiliate if you get somebody to click on any of their ads. So if you agree to drive clicks for 25 cents, you get 1,000 clicks, you're going to make $250 a day. Affiliates tend to refer to this as their EPC or RPC. EPC stands for earnings per click. RPC stands for revenue per click. People that email tend to look at EPCs. Their job is to get emails into the inbox and then get somebody to click on the creative that will link out to a partner site. So what they typically do to model out their business is, what are they making per click? If you were talking to a mailer and you wanted to get distribution for your offer, they might say to you, well, what are you seeing on an EPC? Because they want to know when they send emails, if they can generate 10,000 clicks today and they normally see 25 cents per click, if you're only generating 10 cents a click, they're probably not going to want to mail it. They don't want to waste their time. Number two, cost per lead. Generate leads for companies. People that are willing to pay you for someone to show some interest in their product or service. You talk to an advertiser, they tell you they are willing to pay you every time somebody signs up as a lead. You will agree ahead of time on what that lead is. Some people just want name and email address. Others need a phone number. All of that is done before you start promoting. It's important to understand that these people are expressing interest in the product. They're giving the advertiser consent to contact them. They call it PII, personal identifiable information, permission-based marketing. From an affiliate perspective, we'll look at that as RPL. What is the revenue per lead that you're making, so that you can understand how much you can pay out to the marketplace. Number three, CPA. CPA stands for cost per acquisition. Advertiser agrees to pay the affiliate on any sales generated. Any affiliate program out there where You don't really have a strategic relationship. Consumer clicks, they land on a site, make a purchase, you make a commission. Usually it's not very exciting, it's low, and you're gonna find that that's the case until you start to show that you can drive some real traffic. Affiliate traffic channels. As far as I'm concerned, if you own your own media, if you have distribution, you will never have a problem making money in your life. It is the most powerful thing on the internet. Everybody is looking for traffic. If there's something you're gonna focus on, figuring out a way to get an audience. I have a bunch here that I've listed. I'm building software, Survey Detective. I plugged it in here. Why? Because I know it works. Surveys, quizzes, assessments. You can generate leads. Create a database where you have the ability to control your own media. And by doing so, you can now communicate with these people to either sell affiliate product, somebody else's product, a third-party offer, where you do nothing but just go grab the link and start promoting. People are struggling with how to make money. This is it. The quality of each of these sources is going to range. The value, quality of traffic, conversion rates, they are going to be different. What if you're saying, man, I don't know how to do any of this stuff? Guess what, guys? They call them affiliate networks. You don't need to have a big, crazy company with thousands of people. You could be a one-man shop. An affiliate network is an affiliate broker. That means you have people that can drive traffic. They're your distribution. Now, what do you got to do? You got to go find a unique offer. That advertiser is looking for traffic or distribution. You're going to play a middle. You're going to go get the offer from the advertiser. You're going to go find distribution. You're going to make a market, and you're going to make money in between. Massive business, guys. Over the years, I've made millions and millions of dollars doing that. How do I get started? Make a list of things you love, top 5 niches. Think about products within that niche that you love. If you have an audience, you need to know what the audience likes. Not what you like, what your audience likes. Number 3, go into Google, into Bing, into any search engine. Amazon's a search engine. Type in the product name and then affiliate program. You'll be able to sign up and promote Allbirds shoes and get people to go to their site. And when they do, if they buy anything, you're going to make a commission. You don't have to go and produce product. You don't have to be a customer service rep. You don't have to deal with customers at all. If you want to scale that business, it's very possible. This is what it is. This is affiliate marketing. Anybody in the world can do it. You can make a few bucks on the side. You don't need a lot of money. You just got to hustle, man. Hope this was helpful. Let me know if you like this presentation. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Text me, 917-636-1998. Love to hear what's going on with you guys. I love to hear what you're doing. With that said, guys, I am out. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.